Hi there. For today's Ninja Art tip, I would like to introduce you to this idea of removing barriers to your drawing and painting. So some people have joined us in a 7-day challenge to draw every single day, something small, something simple, something easy, just a tiny little drawing every day for 7 days. So I want to show you the things that I've learned along the way as a way of making sure that I can get through the challenge. And one of the things is to try and think of, if you miss a day or you forget or whatever, ask yourself why it happened. Was it because your day was too busy and you forgot, which is usually my reason? Or was it some thoughts you had in your head? Or was it because you couldn't find your journal or your pencil? What was the reason why you missed a day? Or think ahead. Think about what would be the things that would cause you to miss a day. So try and draw every day by removing barriers. So one of the biggest things I have is forgetting, because I'm so busy with work. So I'll show you what I do. I'll just switch the camera over. And what I always do is I leave the journal out on the table where I can see it. So if I'm going to draw first thing in the morning, I will leave it somewhere where I'll see it as soon as I get up, and it will remind me. It's a visual reminder, so I'm a visual person, so the best way for me to remember things is to actually see them. So having the journal somewhere where you see it is great. Don't leave it closed. Leave it open at the page where hopefully you've already set up the Twinchy squares, the little 2-inch squares with all the dates that you're committing to draw each day written onto them beforehand. That's the very first step that you need to do to prepare. It's kind of like a mental commitment to do it as well. And it becomes a lot easier because all you have to do is pick up the pencil and fill in each box. So it takes less time each day if you prepare like that. But definitely leave it open. Make sure you've got your pencil and anything you need there. So I'm using the pencil with the eraser built in. But if you don't have one of those, make sure you've got your pencil. If you want to have an eraser there, make sure it's sitting there on the pad. So the only thing that you have to do is to sit down and draw something. As you're rushing through the day, you can find little tiny things to draw and just bring them in and just throw them on the pad, so that the next time you get a minute to do the drawing, you've got it there. So it's one of the biggest things, I think, that makes a big difference to these, to achieving these challenges, is to actually prepare enough that you can achieve the goal by making it easy to achieve the goal. So it's the idea of just removing the barriers so that you don't have anything that's stopping you from achieving the little goal. So it's a fun little goal to do, and it's definitely going to improve your drawing. Getting the miles in the pencil is the biggest thing you can do for your drawing. So if you want to see more tips like this sort of thing, go and visit the dojo at zenartart.com, dojo.zenartart.com, and we've got some more video tips on how to draw, video tutorials. And please like, share, and comment, subscribe on the YouTube channel so that other people can see the video too. Thanks for watching.